Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano ay pinakita ang kanilang behind the scenes sa paparating na movie. Mukhang malungkot ang ending nila. Ito ang behind the scene na parang nagkatampuhan ng dalawa. Pero syempre, the best talaga ang off-cam moments nila. Pagkatapos nilang mag-away sa sasakyan ay nagyakapan naman nila nung off-cam na. At si Bel Mariano, dinidescribe niya si Donnie Pangilinan as blessing sa kanya. Sabi nga niya ay, I would like to say, he is a person I can call whenever I'm feeling down. Talagang he is a blessing, not just to me but also our supporters. He is the person I can confide. He is someone accountable. He is blessing in a way na I won't be here without him too. And our supporters too, Don Bell is not Don Bell without Donnie. So he is really is a blessing. With our connection, we are really close. Ano man kami, open naman. He is a really someone special to me. At mapapanood na natin sa cinema ang kanilang upcoming movie sa May 27, 2026. Pinakita na nga ang poster ng kanilang movie. Siguro this week ay magi-start na ang kanilang taping tapos ang kanilang long vacation na solo. Ito naman ang pinost ng KCC. Mukhang pupunta ang Don Bell dito para mag-promote ng kanilang upcoming movie. Don, yun ang turo ng kamay. Parang Don, tapos Bell. Syempre, Don Bell na yan.